Good afternoon, citizens. This is Mayor Barbara Williams again, coming to you live from the parking lot of Walmart Shopping Center in Perry, Georgia, where I'm sitting waiting on an online order and watching people go into this large public venue with no masks on. My message to you is still the same. Let's continue to be on our guard to help stop the spread of this deadly virus by wearing our masks, by washing our hands frequently, and staying a 6-foot distance away from others. People that you feel like have been exposed, stay away from them, period. As you gather in places that kind of thing, know who you're gathering around and take no chances, because this virus is no joke. Our numbers in Fort Valley have increased tremendously in the last 5 days. As a matter of fact, we have increased by 15 that tested positive in the last 5 days. And I'm not sure that took in account the 4th of July weekend where people gathered. But I do know we had 2 deaths in Fort Valley last week wherein people gathered in numbers. And as I passed by, people were not wearing masks. They were not protecting themselves. They were just fellowshipping. We cannot afford to let our guard down. We owe it to ourselves to protect ourselves, our families, and protect others. Please, let's continue to do that. Other states are making mandatory, and other municipalities making mandatory wear a mask type thing. We are trying to do it by appealing to you. We don't want to assess any penalties for not wearing masks. We are just asking our people to use good judgment and protect yourselves. Once again, this virus is no joke, and it's not about to be over. Let's continue to do the things to protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. I thank you for listening to me. Until we talk again, please remain safe, remain sanitary, and remain healthy. Thank you.